So what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back in our video. Today we're looking at pretty excited about this, Beats Studio Plus, the transparent version. So here is the Beats Studio Buds Plus. You can open this up and see what's inside. There you go, that's the inside there. It's the packaging right here. The quick release bolt right there. In the back you get some extra small, medium, large. Medium is already installed on there, and a small USB-C cable right there. Let's see what else we get here. We get some literature right here. And it also comes with a Beat sticker. Nice. You also get Apple Music for free for free trial of the Apple Music. And that's that. So open up these Beat Studio Buds Plus. Whew, it's beauty. Looks nice. Even the buds are transparent there. Look at the inside of that. It's just amazing. You see the magnets up here as well. Beats logo on the front, indicator light right there, USB-C charging right there. Now this doesn't have wireless charging on the back, that's alright. The buds itself, again you could see through right there. Metal plates for charging. Got the driver there as well, as you could see. The middle. This is a button as well on the front. It's actually a clickable button right there. That's it. Now let's go ahead and pair this with our phone. Now you do get the animation for this, as you could see, with Studio Buds Plus. This is a nice one. Just hit connect and you're pretty much paired. That's all. It'll tell you the media control here as well. Press twice if you're ending a call. There you go. And you can see the battery indicators there as well for the case and the buds. It also has that animation, especially for the transparent version. Looks amazing. Let's go ahead and try this on. There you go. So how's that look? Right there. How does that look on my ears? Of course, it's not noise cancelling as well. Very nice. How does that look on my ears there? There you go. Beauty. Let's try some music here. Now, of course, you can skip music, as you could see there. If you hit once, it'll pause the music. Nice. Of course, it works for phone calls as well. Now let's try out the microphone here, just in case you want to use this for phone calls or something like that. We're going to use Filmic Pro here, and pretty much we selected the Studio Buds Plus right there, as you could see. And we're going to test it out here. So here is the test. We're using the Filmic Pro right now so that we can record via Bluetooth. You can also hear yourself through the earbuds as a monitor. It is kind of confusing because it's slight delay, but it is definitely usable. So this is a test for the microphone. Let me know what you think down below, if it's any good or not. Again, let's do a shake test. Let's check out if it's if the audio is getting ruined or anything like that. Let me know what you think. If you're on a phone call, you're running on a treadmill or something like that, and you're on a phone call, you're running around doing a workout or whatever, and you could still take phone calls with these. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. I think it is pretty good for the most part. I could hear it from my monitor there, and it sounds good. But let me know during the recording, for the recording, right? If it's any good. Ah, sounds good, man. And it looks beauty. You could say that, you know, you got that transparent earbuds. Yeah. Beats Studio Buds Plus. Must recommend for everyone, especially if you like the look of the transparency. Definitely a must. This is like a copy of the, definitely they copied this from like the Nothing phone, Nothing earbuds, right? But we'll take it. This is the official iPhone or Apple version, official Beats version. I'll definitely will take it. As you could see, kind of translucent in the back, you could see through. Pretty nice. Yeah, looks great. That's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I was able to help you on your choice. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Definitely would check it out. It is an affiliate link. It does help the channel a lot if you buy it from the description. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.